Hello guys and welcome back. In today's video I will show you how to deposit money in BitMart. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel for more amazing videos. So let's start this video without wasting any time. First open BitMart. So once you open BitMart, now tap on deposit. So the first option to deposit money in your BitMart application is to tap on deposit, and if you have money in other exchanges then this option is used. So suppose I have USDT in my Binance application and I want to deposit it to this BitMart application. So what I will do is to tap on deposit and search for USDT. Tap on USDT. Now the next step is to choose the network and make sure to choose the correct network. And over here I have selected BSC BNB Smart Chain, which is BEP20, and after that tap on confirm. And here we got the deposit address. So just copy this deposit address. Now the next step is to open the application, exchange or the wallet which have USDT in it. So I will open Binance in this case. I will tap on wallets on the bottom right corner, then tap on withdraw. Again tap on withdraw, and in the coin list you have to tap on USDT. Then tap on the first option, which is send via crypto network. Now on the top you can see the address. So over here we have to long press and then paste the address which we copied from BitMart. Now in the network section, choose that right network which we selected from there, which is BEP20. After selecting the network, we have to write down the withdrawal amount, and this is the withdrawal amount I want to send, and then tap on withdraw. After that you will receive a confirmation email that you have received $10 in your BitMart application. Now the next step to buy or deposit money in your BitMart is to tap on buy and sell and then tap on P2P trading. Now over here you first have to verify yourself in order to do P2P trading and third-party payments, and this is how you deposit money in your BitMart application. So I hope this video will help you. If so, please like this video and subscribe this channel.